We export things into our ERP software. We'll go from estimate to Vista to track.
After I set up the job in Vista, I import it into track. And so whatever is in Vista exactly matches track, exactly how I'm going to bill it, exactly how the job was built, line-wise, quantity-wise, unit of measure, everything is exactly the same. That goes straight through.
And we use track for bringing in all the information, the payroll information, the equipment hours, and all that is brought into the costing system.
We're capturing labor, billing quantities, production quantities, and subcontractor quantities.
We use a lot of the track quantities for billing, so that comes in, and then those quantities also come into Vista so that the unit costs will have, we'll be able to compare unit costs versus estimate versus actual.
Those field logs and what they enter in those field logs give me a picture to then I can do the next step and actually build that job. Overall, it definitely does save time. It's way more efficient than keying in all of that information, and the information that does come in that may be incorrect is an easy thing to fix.